Hello everybody, welcome to Froggy Stocks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only, not a financial advisor. Here we are, back again to Computershare and direct registration. So many people are asking me about how to direct register their shares now, since we've already seen some broker fuckery with the ape dividend. So I thought I'd remake the video on how to buy with Computershare and then talk a little bit about how to direct register from your broker, because my other videos the sound quality wasn't as good. So very simple. If you have never used Computershare, this is all you have to do to buy shares from Computershare. Go to computershare.com US if you're in the US, right? And all you have to do, don't worry about login, don't worry about making an account, nothing. Just click right here, make a stock purchase. Here we go. Now all you got to do on the top is type AMC Theaters if you want to buy AMC. Click the icon. This is the fees, what it's going to cost you to buy, and the minimum you have to buy. Minimum investments for new shareholders on a one-time purchase is $25. So you have to buy a minimum of $25 worth of stock. If it's a recurring investment, meaning it's automatic every week or month, however you want to set it up, it's 10. Existing shareholders, you have to do a minimum of 10 each time. So if you're already a shareholder, it's a $10 minimum each purchase, because it's not worth it to buy a fractional share, right? So this is the online investment fees. It's like kind of like the commission what the old brokers used to charge. One-time investment of $5, recurring of $2.50. So if you're making a one-time purchase, you're going to get charged $5, and that's 5 cents of a share, each share, dividend reinvestment, 5% max, right? So this isn't really a big deal here. It's just telling you what it's going to cost you to buy the shares. This is the minimum you have to buy. Then you go to this button right here, invest now. This is where the meat and potatoes are, right? You're going to just say, for example's sake, we're going to make a one-time purchase of $50. Next. This is where you are going to sign up and fill in your account information. This is all your broker, this is all your information for them to be able to set you up an account, right? So you put your name, your social security number, taxpayer ID. Yes, I'm 18 years old. Make sure you put your address exactly how it is in any other brokerage accounts you have. And I'll tell you why. If you decide to transfer from your shares in your broker later on to your new Computershare account that you're making with your purchase today, the addresses must match perfectly. I'm talking if you put 123 Long Street North, you better put 123 Long Street North exactly as it is in your... Every time you log into Computershare, whenever you call, they're going to ask you your address. You got to get it right perfectly every time. No discrepancies. Home phone, email, confirmation, blah, blah, blah. You click next. And then after this, I'm not going to fill all this out with information because I don't want my information out there. But you click next. After that, it's going to go into, are you sure you want to make a purchase? And when you do, you click yes. It buys your stock for you. Takes about 5 days. Within 5 to 7 days, you're going to get a bunch of emails, a bunch of receipts, a bunch of text messages saying the process is being started. 7 days later, in between then and now, you'll get an email saying, hey, your stock has been purchased. We need, and blah, blah, blah. And then a couple days later, you'll get another email saying, hey, your account's been set up. Please click here and verify your account. You'll click in your email. You'll go back to Computershare. You'll verify. You'll set your secret words up and all that. Make sure you write your password down, write everything down so you don't forget it. And then you will be able to log into your account and see your shares in your account. And you can go in and buy more, or you can go in and sell. And if you have AMC, what I recommend for the fastest transaction time for selling during a squeeze, get into Computershare, going to sell, and set limit orders for whatever you want. $100, $500, $800, $3,500 is the max, right? For a limit order. It's going to help you out a lot if you just set a limit order. You're not going to log in. When you hit your target price, it's going to sell. You're going to get that price. You're going to get your money. After you sell with Computershare, it takes about 3 days for the sale to clear and your money to come back. That's to get paid. Your stock will go through and it'll sell, then it'll clear and your cash will come back. They'll either put it in your account or they'll send you a check in the mail, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. Now, the benefits of using Computershare. One, if you direct register your AMC shares with Computershare, they can no longer be loaned or shorted. And I'm talking about by your brokers. Your broker, even if you have share lending turn off, we have found out some brokers are still loaning your shares out to the market to be shorted. Two, when we pull these shares out of the market and put them in book with Computershare, direct registered to AMC, the admin at AMC, the board of directors, and Adam Aaron himself, every earnings call and annual get a book, right? And in that book is your name with how many shares you own, your information, so they know exactly who holds stock in their company. They know how many shares are held by Computershare direct registration people. So if we get enough registered and there's a discrepancy, if we know there's 400 million shares at AMC registered with Computershare for AMC off market, and there's hundreds of millions and billions of shares out there in the market still, then we know we have a problem. So the benefits are very, very good. Now, here's the little bit of downside. When you go to sell, if you're just placing a market order, it could take up to a full day to sell. But let me explain something. A lot of retail investors who have been lenient about getting into Computershare tell me this. Well, what if the stock squeezes and I can't sell for 2 days, or it takes 2 days to sell? I'm going to tell you right now that your instant ability to sell just anytime, just boom, I'm sold on like Fidelity, is probably actually making you a worse trader. I almost guarantee it. Retail trades too much, too often, and usually sells at the wrong price targets. For example, I had a monthly recurring purchase of $100 for AMC. Everybody said I was crazy because what if it squeezes and I'm buying stock at $700? So, oh, we'll see. So the stock went down to $17. My monthly order went in and I got the best price that anybody got on a buy for a month. So your timing, you're never going to be able to time the market perfectly. You're never going to be able to time the price prediction or entry perfectly, or your exit. So in that, a day or two to go in and place a market order with Computershare is probably not going to affect you that much. Like I said, if you set a limit order, that problem's gone. The limit order goes in, you get the price it sold at, they process your transaction and you make out. So to all the people that keep DMing me nonstop, and I don't mind answering DMs, but you guys, I've went over this like 100 times. I've got 2 or 3 videos out there. This is how you buy and get a new account set up. Or if you're with a broker and you already have shares, then all you have to do is call them. If it's Fidelity, you can call them and say, I would like to transfer my AMC to direct registration with Computershare. They'll do it for you for free. As long as all your trades and your accounts are cleared of any transactions, they will set it up and do it for free. Now, if you've already bought shares and you want Fidelity to transfer, make sure you tell Fidelity your Computershare account number so they put it in your right account. If by some chance you accidentally set up 2 Computershare accounts, it's okay. Just call Computershare and tell them you would like to merge the accounts. It only takes like 2 days to do it. So that's all I wanted to talk about, guys. You guys are seeing the fuckery going on with the broker. Everybody's talked about it on Twitter all weekend. Webull suspended the stock from trading for 2 days. People in Fidelity still don't have their shares, which is really strange to me. Fidelity should already had it done. TD Ameritrade don't have their shares. They're talking about issuing shares on the 22nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. That's just crazy. What if we get our APE Monday and APE runs to $1,000 on Monday and you don't have your shares in your account because you got a shady ass broker? Well, guess what? Everybody that did Computershare has APE in their account. Some people only got half, which is really strange. But in that, I'm excited, because that might be an indicator that there was not enough APE to go around. And that's the problem the markets are facing right now, is that there's not enough APE, which is why the brokers are extending and delaying the dividend issuance, because they don't have any to give you. So hodling at this point is the most important thing you can do with your APE. We need to hodl for at least 7 days so these brokers can't pull shares from the open market and start issuing them back and forth to people they owe. This is the squeeze. This is the pressure. This is squeezing the shorts. We have something they want and they can't get it. That's the whole point, man. All right, well, that was it, guys. Yes, this is live. Well, simple holder here. Haven't received dividend yet, but I received my GameStop shares. Yeah, GameStop dividend was even messed up, too. That is messed up. It's just crazy, man. Well, simple stated they do not do PFOF. Yeah, so did some other brokers in America, and I think PFOF is illegal in Canada. Is Well Simple Canada? Here's the thing. Computershare is not a broker. Computershare is a transfer agent. What they do is they get the orders that you place, and then they go out and reach out to multiple brokers and fulfill those orders. So they're not payment for order flow either. They just try to pick whatever broker can fulfill at the best price, and then they do that. After your shares are DRS'd, they never touch the market again. They are in book form in the registry on AMC, out of the market. Your brokers can't lend it out. Nobody can short it. And I do believe that's why we've seen significant price action since we started educating people on this. It's instant for me. Yep. Riptide Redemption, afternoon all, Z to the U. Got Fractional Ape from Public just now. LMAO. You got Fractional Ape? Dude, that's not possible. I need to see that. Z to the U, if you're on Twitter, click on the top of my YouTube page. It's at Tease. I'll type it for you. No way you got Fractional Ape, dude. That's big news, man. This is my Twitter. If you can send me a screenshot of just your Fractional Ape, don't send me your account information or nothing, man, you should post that on Twitter, because there's no way to make fractional preferred shares. That's even in the 8K filing. That's fucking nasty, dude. I'm glad you told me that. Yeah, how was Dragon Ball? I loved it, man. I thought it was great. There was a couple ass pulls here and there on power-ups and this and that, but I thought it was great, man. My theater was about a quarter packed, so it was good. And Dragon Ball Super made a huge underdog move this week, and I tweeted about it. They made $21 million as of today, not counting the rest of today. So it was a really good pull for Dragon Ball Super in America. And I tried to DM Adam Aaron a bunch of times. I said, hey, we need Dragon Ball popcorn containers for the Dragon Ball Super launch. It would have been huge. It would have drawn collectors and fans to the theaters like no other. It was a huge missed opportunity. I'm kind of disappointed about it, but it is what it is. But Dragon Ball Super is on its way to $25 million weekend, which nobody expected it to pull more than 10. So this is awesome. I would love to see the numbers for AMC. We'll do, wow, no way, no fucking way. Yeah, there's not supposed to be any fractional shares. So if your broker is saying you have fractional shares, it's because they issued you ape that they don't have. They're just saying it's in your account. Screenshot that, save it, tweet it, tag Adam Aaron in it, and I'll blow it up on Twitter too, dude. Z to you, check his Twitter. I'll post it in there. Awesome, man. A with the Godzilla Kong. Yes, the good thing that did happen this week is Adam Aaron, if you sign up for Investor Connect now, like this, I think this weekend or the 26th, maybe it was. Let me go to his tweet. You can go, if you sign up for Investor Connect now, you don't even have to be an investor. You can get 2 free tickets to go see Godzilla versus King Kong at AMC Theater for free. Our best ever AMC Theater Connect member invitation, Friday, August 26th, 7 p.m. at most US AMC theaters. 2 absolutely free tickets, Godzilla versus Kong. Details to come Tuesday. How to book your tickets. Join Investor Connect for free. You do not have to own shares of AMC to do this. You can get 2 free tickets to go see Godzilla versus King Kong for free. Go. And then this is brilliant because now you're coming to see a movie for free and you can spend more money on snacks and popcorn. It's brilliant. They should do more of these. In my opinion, dust off some of the older movies and do more of these. Like imagine coming out and launching Fast and Furious 1 back in theaters again for free to sell popcorn and such. That would be amazing. So yeah, there we go. That's all I had today, guys. I just wanted to cover Computershare. Z to the U. I'll watch my DMs. I got Nick Weber. I got Fraction Ape on public too. You guys got to be kidding me, man. This is hilarious. Nick, I think we're following each other on Twitter. Send me a screenshot of that, and I'm going to tweet. You guys blow it up. You're not supposed to have fractional shares of Ape. That means they're doing something wrong. That means it's not a true preferred share. That is more or less them just saying you own, they just gave you an IOU. Cineworld, Regal owner preparing. Yeah, Cineworld and Regal, basically the owner of Regal, they are going bankrupt. This is one of our biggest competition. Adam Aron talked about this a long time ago, that it was a good opportunity for AMC. They're going bankrupt. They can't keep up. They don't have the investment base and the customer base like AMC does. This is where it's awesome, though. The Regal, like, here's an example. Just in Albuquerque, where I live, there's 2 Regals. They're in both of the malls. The malls are slam-packed every weekend. If AMC can get a theater in the Cottonwood Mall, their revenues will explode. 1, because the brand name, everybody knows about AMC. But 2, because the location, the population density of Albuquerque is absolutely freaking insane. Lots of people moving to this area. So if Adam Aron can swoop in on the backside of the bankruptcy and get these locations and get the infrastructure for pennies on the dollar, this could be a massive acquisition for AMC theaters. Right now, Regal's market cap is $56 million. Adam Aron could dust off a couple $100 million, come out, buy all the good assets after the bankruptcy is over, and AMC could expand, taking the absolute majority of the market share worldwide. It would be such a great thing. I don't have Twitter, but I screenshot it. Nick, let me see what else. I highly recommend. I know a lot. I don't like Twitter personally. I highly recommend you guys start a Twitter account, follow me on Twitter, so that you can share DMs and stuff. You don't have to actively engage in posts, but we put a lot of information out on Twitter that you guys might not be catching just sitting on YouTube. But either way, guys, I'm going to go tweet that out. Here, let me tweet it right now. You guys can see where I'm at. Multiple apes in my YouTube live stream right now saying public gave them fractional shares of Ape, which is supposed to be impossible. You're not supposed to get fractional shares. To my understanding, this should have been impossible. CO Adam. Hashtag AMC, hashtag Ape. There we go. There's the tweet. That's how tweets are made, guys. Sweet. Z to the U just tweeted me. I'm going to go check it out. Here's the video for Computershare in the beginning for everybody. Sorry we went a little longer than I thought. This is how the beginning of the video shows you how to DRS your shares or how to buy directly from Computershare. It'll be the last video I make on that. Hope you guys look into it. Even if you go to Computershare and buy 1 or 2 shares of AMC just to test it out, it's no skin off your back. And then your name will be in the AMC ledger as a stock owner. Adam Aron will see it himself, and it's a pretty cool feeling. So you guys have a great Sunday. I will see you Monday morning. I can't freaking wait. This is going to be one of the most epic weeks in AMC stock history, and I'm glad I got to go along on the ride with all you wonderful apes. Either way, have a good weekend.